This is a movie that you've seen before. You've seen it several times before. Carl, how does the movie end?
It doesn't end happily. I've seen God knows how many bear markets, and they're similar in one way. It's a sad thing, and a lot of people lose a great deal of capital. And I am not predicting, though, Eric. I'm not predicting that we're in a bear market. I'm not predicting that this is going to end, sort of this euphoric atmosphere. But I am predicting this, that, and it's not much of a prediction, I guess, but sooner or later, a situation like this is going to end relatively badly. Some less badly, some more. But you can't keep printing up money and printing it up and printing it up, because you get what you have now that you can't control. The government can't control inflation. It controls it only what they're doing, what Volcker had to do. You know, bring interest rates up to 18%. I remember those days. It was unbelievable. So I think that's going to happen, but I'm not here to discuss. I'm not a macroeconomics guru, and I just look at simple facts. That's all I do. Simple facts, and the simple fact here is the tension between inflation and printing up money can't continue to exist without busting open.
You say, Carl, that you're not predicting a bear market, but this is going to end in an ugly way. What's the difference?
Okay, well, I'm not predicting a near-term bear market. Nobody can predict what's going to happen next week, next month, maybe even next year or two. You really can't predict it. Too many variables. The whole political scene, the whole question of the presidency. But on a big picture methodology, you can look at it and say, it's simple. You can't, I think it's economics 101 in high school. You can't just keep pushing out money. You can't just keep giving away money and giving away money, because that money will definitely lose its worth, like anything else. If you make too many widgets, then the widgets lose their worth. So here's what's happening. We keep putting out money. The Fed keeps pushing it out there. And that's great for a while. I mean, that's great. It's like makes you happy. But and at times it's certainly needed. But now you can't. That party has to stop. And sooner or later, what's going to happen is and you're having it already now. The manifestations of it is rampant inflation, and it's not there yet, but it has to be controlled, and it's not something that you can wait to see if it happens, because I've seen that in the past. You wait too long, maybe. But I'm not here to say the Fed's doing a bad job. In fact, I think the Fed has done a pretty good job over the last few years in sort of saving the economy. So that's not the issue. But the issue is, if you're asking me to predict something, I'm only saying, and it's not saying very much, I guess, that over the next 3-4 years, and maybe a lot sooner, you are going to see this whole thing hit the wall in one way or another, and it's not going to be a pretty outcome.